Hello everyone. So today we are here in another beautiful house tour in this beautiful house and lot resale here in Barangay Libertad, Butuan City, and it is situated near Robinson's Mall. So come on, let's go. So pagsulod nimo, na kay car park diri good for one. So masigo ang SUV or kanang family car. So diri lang siya, naka tiles na pod. So very nice kayo, di ba? Naka canopy na pod. So this is the entrance. If makita nimo, gwapo kay ang door. Double door siya. So mo-welcome sa imo ang living area. Wide ang sofa, so daghan kag visitors, and then the TV, the dining area. Diba? Very nice kayo, very spacious. Gid kay and your kitchen. So ang favorite nako diri is ang kitchen kay makaluto gid ka og taman-taman so spacious kayo. And then naa kay refrigerator. So diri naapod kay additional space ang imuhang dirty kitchen. Naapod kay common bathroom or toilet and bath. And then this is your bedroom number 1. So with double deck na. And then naka-built-in na pod ang cabinets. And this is bedroom number 2 with double deck bed and built-in cabinet. And here, your master's bedroom. So you have also built-in cabinets here and your own toilet and bath. So very nice kayo. This is a good buy na property. For only 5.3 million, you can have this furnished home here in Butuan City. So if you have questions for more details, feel free to contact me.